Salamat kasi hindi ka sumasabay sa inyo ng ulo. Pero, okay lang. Hindi. Madami kaming pinagdadaanan na sabi niya, may yung pasensya niya, pero hindi pala.
So do you remember with your white dress on? It was the end of December. Oh, but count the days till dawn. I never knew that I could love someone the way that.
Thank you. Masaya ako. May poging umas na sa tabi ko. Salamat. So give me grace if you can hear me. That you'll give me grace if you can hear me. And I pray that you'll give us grace if you can hear me. You'll give us grace, you'll give us grace.
Ito yung maingay na ko. Yun nga sabi ng father ko, magtatagal kami. Kasi lahat na sabihin niya, sagot ko, ha? Very excited ako, tsaka masaya sa pagtanggap mo sa akin, sa kung ano ako, at kung anong wala ako. Huwag kang magulo. Tsaka excited akong makita ang ubali ng kilay mo at gigising sa tabi mo at sasabihin ko, buhay ka pa. Tapos kikis kita at sabihin sa'yo, good morning, I love you.
Family and friends, and we now present to you Mr. and Mrs. Joy and Jared Ladera.